dream is actually the succession of images, emotions, and sensations that a person experiences while asleep. But it is a kind of dream that a person sees with open eyes, and these dreams compares a person with a lion. It unleashes the inner lion out of the person. It requires you to let your inner lion out of the cage. It requires you to chase your dreams, no matter how big is your dream. But you have to start with some tiny steps. You have to start with some tiny struggle. You have to start with some tiny practice. And it will make you ignore the struggles and difficulties that you are going to face during your success period. And it will make you blind. The only thing that you will see is your goal of life, is your aim that you will get in your future. You know, if a person has a weak mindset, if a person is afraid of taking risks, or if a person doesn't have any dream, so then what will happen? That person can never ever get far in life. That person can never ever get far in life. So, if it is true, so the question stands now. How can we make our dreams a reality? How can we make our dreams come true? So remember my one thing. Dreams, aspirations aren't obtained easily. But the hardest thing to do is to never give up. The hardest thing to do is to keep trying. The hardest thing to do is to produce the ability in yourself. Be anyone you want through your dream. But you have to practice. You have to work hard. You have to struggle. Because it takes a lot of determination, dedication, self-discipline, practice, effort, struggle. But if you want to make your dream a reality, you need to be willing to put yourself outside of the comfort zone. You need to sacrifice yourself, and you shall start climbing the ladder of success. You know, when no one believes in you, when no one trusts in you, when people make fun of you, you should not be disappointed by the unfavorable circumstances. You should just believe in yourself, because you are the one who can decide when to go on and when to give up. So live your dream. When you will live your dream, you will not go looking for happiness. Happiness will come looking for you. When you live your dreams, you will not go looking for others' approval. Others will come looking for you when you live your dream and die. So